What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This is a daily video. Today we are going to be going over Ethereum, and you might be wondering, why are we going over Ethereum? Well, I mean, Ethereum, this guy Max Adler, we're live streaming it right now. He really wants me to go over Ethereum, so we're going to do that for him. So thanks for the big shout out there. And yeah, so what are we looking at right now? Well, we have to have Ethereum break above this MC level right here. We are look at right now, if we're just looking at this as the volume is coming in. All right, this whole section right here on Ethereum is basically the point of control of this whole little range right here, right? And so you can see we were getting a little bit of a rejection from it right here, and then price started to move up, and then we got a rejection at the top of it right here. So we can basically say this is the value area high of the range, this is the value area low, and so we want to see it break up above that. And so if we do, just like we were talking about in the previous videos, we wanted to see these take these highs at like 24.87. And so what's happening right now on the volume side of things is this for Ethereum. We are seeing ourselves being held up by that session point of control right here. This is also the weekly point of control. And we do see that we are seeing some decent amount of longs opening up right now on Ethereum. And so, yeah, that's the current price action that we are looking at. And with this, if we pull the fib from swing high to swing low, we do have the first set of the MC coming in right here. So what we have to be on the lookout for is this section right here acting as a support resistance flip. And that's between 26.28 to 26.66. And so you could end up getting price coming all the way up like this, hitting that, and then coming back down to come down to maybe like 20k or 1900 or something like that, right? So these are the areas that we have to look out for in the immediate short term. Something around like this, right? And the reason why we say that is because obviously Bitcoin is the leader in all of this. It's the one that's telling us what's going on, how things are moving, because you can see here Bitcoin is up and everything else is up as well. And so over here, Bitcoin is looking to basically do the exact same thing. You guys can see here, we have these highs to take, and then you have this support resistance flip that we could be hitting. And we also have a naked previous day value area high coming in there. And we also have the psychological 40K. So Ethereum is doing the exact same things as Bitcoin is. And if you would like, I posted up a Bitcoin video on the channel. It's unlisted right now, but it will be up very soon. And also too, make sure you guys are subscribed and joining the Discord, because as you guys can see here on the 21st on this video, I basically called the low, called the high on Bitcoin, and then over here we called the low all before it happened. So you guys can see here, it's like 33 to 38-ish, 39-ish, all the way back down to like 31-ish. And so we look at the Bitcoin chart over here, and we can see here 33-ish, then we have 38, 39-ish right here coming in, and then we also have 31 ish around that area coming in. So all of those were called beforehand, and so that's why you want to join in. And also too, make sure you guys are signing up using my information down below. And also too, I have this altcoin trader channel as well down below, so you guys can check that out, as well as the other information down here. This is where we're trading Ethereum at. You know, you can get up to $1,600 bonus. You can get the Discord right here. Sign up. You have to deposit and start trading if you in order to get the bonus as well. So yeah, welcome to all of those people, and big shout outs to the community. You guys are growing this community like crazy. I mean, look at this Discord. It's just people after people after people after people joining. It's crazy. So for Ethereum, yeah, I would say that the targets are going to be the same exact. Basically, you have to watch what Bitcoin is doing in order to figure out what Ethereum is doing. Ethereum is doing nothing different than Bitcoin. Let's just be real. Right now, every single coin is doing the same thing as Bitcoin. And so this is actually one of my ideas that I have on the Bitcoin chart, is that we do come up and have that happen where we come up, take the highs, and then we come all the way back down. That is something that we're looking at for possibly to happen, right? So we're going to trade this level to level. I'm not a moon boy. I'm not a doom boy. We just trading things level to level as everybody should be. And so what we're seeing here is if we do, let's say if we do come up above this level, well, where could I be looking at? Well, we'd have no choice but to look at this level above here, about 31K, because we have these stops to take, we have these stops to take, we have these stops to take, right? So let's go ahead and zoom out to the 15-minute, and we also have the support resistance level right here. So let's just go ahead, click this, and let's just put the little thingy right about here. So 30,066, I would say it could be a level that we are looking for to the upside for a possible short, because again, over on bybit you can short or long and you can make money on it regardless. And so that's the level to the upside. And to the downside, well, I mean, it's exactly like I was talking about in previous video, which it would be somewhere around here where we come down and take these lows and possibly end up getting us some support right here, because we could take out these lows and find ourselves some support. So I'd say that is that. And then let's go ahead and group these bad boys together, call this 0524. And let's go ahead and take a look at some of the EMAs, the RSIs and stuff like that on the daily. So let's see here. We got to zoom out a little bit here. Let's see if we can take a look at what's going on right now. Let's take a look at this real quick too. I'm just loading some stuff up on the other screen really fast. So let's look at these EMAs really quickly. What do we got? So we've got this. We got supported by the 200 EMA, just exactly like we were talking about could happen in the previous videos. And Ethereum is falling a little bit right now because look at Bitcoin's falling. We're at 75% bearish on most of all the markets. And so we got that support on the 200 EMA on the daily. We have to, like, you guys, so not even kidding, right? We have to get above this 100 EMA on on Ethereum in order to continue our way to the upside. We have to start getting a really, really nice candle body close above this, because we do not want to. I mean, when was the last time we even touched the 100 EMA, which is over here when the candle bodies were extremely, extremely, extremely small. We were at $300, you know, and we only touched that a couple times, 1, 2, 3 times. And so before that, it was like all the way. So yeah, we have to, because we had a pretty solid candle body close below. We had some candle bodies below, full candle body below. Even the wick got rejected from the 100. So that's not a good sign. We want to start to see some big closes above. So let's take a look also too at the overall volume and what people are saying right now on Ethereum. So let's just take a look. Okay, let's see if I do this, if I change this to, oh no, there's no way I'm doing that. So we can see here, the more green that it gets, or the more red to white that it gets, that means people are buying. So we can see basically, at least on Bybit, everybody is buying some Ethereum right now. Everybody, as we're going up. So that's healthy. Let's check the net longs, net shorts to see if that's actual longs opening up or if that's shorts closing out right now. So let's go ahead and check that really quickly. Okay, that's not what I wanted to see. So while we load that up, we're going to go ahead and go through the EMAs. So let's go on the 4-hour. Oh boy, this is really not looking good. We are about to have the death cross of doom, which would be when you have the when you have it. Okay, we're going low. Okay, nice. We are, and I say nice because I'm in a short right now in Bitcoin. When you have it where from top to bottom of the EMAs, where you have the biggest, then biggest to smallest. So the 200 is right here, the 155 and 20. And so if the 200 crosses over the 100, That's a death cross, which is definitely not what you want to see on any coin at all, whether it's an altcoin, whether it's Bitcoin, whether it's Ethereum. So we really have to make sure that we are continuing to push up and we do not get a very, very serious cross. And then if we do get a cross, it might be okay, but we just cannot get a rejection from any of these. But we do have the top of the Bollinger Band coming in. We have the 55 right here on the 4 hour. And let's take a look at the RSI. We do have some divergences showing up, which is good on the 4 hour RSI. And we are breaking this like channel trend line thing right here that we've got going on as well. So that's a good sign. All of these are good signs. The divergence showing up and it's starting to play out, and we also have this crossing right here, but we have a lot of resistances above us, right? We have a lot of resistances above us, but things, there's volume, there is RSI divergences, there's trend line breakages, and there's also some higher lows starting to be put in a little bit, like even right here, which we weren't really doing too much back over here. And we also have some divergences showing up. So there's a lot of indicators telling us that this could possibly be a bottom, but there's so many resistances above that we can't get too bullish, you know? We cannot get too bullish. We can't allow our emotions to get the best of us, okay? So let's go ahead and take a look here. And again, if you guys want access to any of these things, again, another perk of signing up to the bybit, you can get up to $1,600 bonus, is the fact that once you do, you will become part of the Red Pill community that I have going on over here, which has access to templates. These are ExoCharts templates, and you'll get access to all of these, okay? So once you sign up, you just send me your UID, which is right here. You can just send me your UID in a direct message, and then I'll add you to the supporters. And yeah, you'll get the templates, you'll get the videos, you'll get the calls right here that we're making and stuff like that before they happen. So none of these are signals. These are just my ideas, I should say. You'll get access to my ideas. I'll say that. So let's take a look at this real quick. So what do we got going? Oh my God, there's so many people longing. Wow, there's so many people longing and price is not really moving. So these people better hope price moves up, because if it starts to move down, these people are going to get annihilated, absolutely annihilated, since they are longing at the highs. Oh my God, that's really, really bad. So let's see here. So earlier we showed that graph, or that chart that was showing you all those people that have longed recently. Well, that is a combination of shorts getting stopped out as well as some people opening up longs. And so I would say that it's a healthy move up. You know, when you have shorts closing out and you have people opening up longs. This is not healthy though. When you have all these people opening up longs and price is not moving up, that's very, very scary actually, to be honest. So yeah. Wow. That's very, very scary. So yeah, I think that's going to do it for today's video. Again, make sure you guys are hitting that like button, that subscribe button, turning the notification bell on. We have these levels if you guys want to write these down before we dip out. And again, don't forget to join the Discord community. Join us over on Bybit. We're trading over there on Bybit. We've got people continuously posting up their wins over here. And just tons and tons of people posting up a lot of their wins. And yeah, I think that's it. Let me check the live stream real quick to see if anybody has any questions before I dip out. Thank you. Max is just saying thank you like 5 million times. This guy, Kevin Lynn, there you go. Thanks, man. Really insightful. Just subbed. Will not miss a 30K dip tonight. Somebody says it's going to 30K. Thank you for trying to teach us. Oh yeah, about teaching. Also, too, down below the videos, I have a Trading for Beginners playlist that you guys want to check out as well. So make sure you guys are checking that out. And CoinMarketMan. And don't forget my altcoin channel that I have right here. Make sure you guys are subscribed to that. We're about to do some stuff for XRP and Cardano and all these other coins that are up as well. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you're a part of that. But anyways, that's going to do it. I'll catch you next time.